Hello people and welcome to Credar. Today we have for you the Triumph Trident 660. इस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹6,95,000 एक्स शोरूम. इस बाइक की कंपटीशन है द Kawasaki Z650 and the Honda CB650R. And in terms of pricing, this bike is positioned between those two motorcycles. ये एक मिडल वेट नेकेड रोडस्टर मोटरसाइकिल है. This is the cheapest Triumph motorcycle that you can buy here in the Indian market and it is bringing to you the Neo Retro design theme. चलिए इस वीडियो में देख लेते हैं क्या फीचर्स आपको मिलते हैं इस बाइक के साथ, कैसा है इस बाइक का परफॉर्मेंस, is this motorcycle exciting enough, does it give you that big bike feel? Let's talk about all of these aspects. But first, let's listen to the exhaust sound of this motorcycle. ये Trident जो है, it makes use of a 3-cylinder engine and we know that the Triumph triples are sweet sounding machines. So here goes. Sounds quite good, doesn't it? You will not need an aftermarket exhaust until and unless you really like something super loud, but because of that you will get pulled over by the cops. So this stock setup is definitely pleasing to the ears. Now let's talk about the design and features of this Trident 660. Trident 660 is the brand's most affordable motorcycle, लेकिन फिर भी ये बाइक आपको किसी भी एंगल से चीप नज़र नहीं आएगी. Fit and finish and quality levels are top notch. The paint option that we have today, Silver Ice Diablo Red, this is going to cost you ₹13,000 more over the 6,95,000 ex-showroom price tag of this Trident 660. Now compared to the Kawasaki Z650, this bike looks a little less substantial. लेकिन Honda की जो CB650R है, that is also tightly packaged, so both of these motorcycles are going to feel a little small to those looking for a really big bike. Talking about design, this is a roadster motorcycle, but it is trying to offer you that modern classic design feel. You get a circular headlamp, which is a full LED unit. हेडलैम्प का थ्रो काफ़ी अच्छा है, सो इवन इफ यू आर राइडिंग दिस बाइक एट नाइट द हेडलैम्प इज गोइंग टू डू अ गुड जॉब. You get full LED lighting, so you are getting LED turn indicators as well, and you also get an LED tail lamp with a nice Triumph badge on it, which highlights the brand's attention to detail. Since we are talking about the tail lamp, you can notice that you get a nice tail tidy design detail, and the number plate is housed on a rear tire hugger, which also accommodates the turn indicators. Fuel tank पे आपको एक plastic section मिल जाता है where your knee recesses and you can notice the Trident branding over there. Paint quality is fantastic and you will really like how this bike looks. Yes, it is a little tight in dimensions, so it might not really grab too many eyeballs, but when you ride it and when that engine is singing, everybody is definitely going to look at you. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक सर्कुलर स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर मिल रहा है. दिस इज अ फुल डिजिटल यूनिट और यहाँ पे आपको अपर हाफ सेक्शन में डिजिटल टैकोमीटर, डिजिटल स्पीड रीडआउट और गियर पोजीशन इंडिकेटर नजर आएगा. Lower down in the MID section you have a lot of data such as your trip computers, your rain and road mode animation is also displayed over here. You also have your fuel efficiency data, and you can also have your Bluetooth connectivity module purchased as an optional accessory. And then over here you can also notice your GoPro controls and turn by turn navigation and options like that. And to control this full digital speedometer cluster, आपको toggle switches दिए गए हैं on the handlebar switch gear, and to change between the modes also you have a quick access button on that switch gear. Overall packaging is quite fantastic and the chassis is also painted in a dark theme, and overall the mechanical bits get a dark theme. It is just the exhaust system which gets shiny treatment, and you get an underbelly exhaust with this motorcycle. The upside down front forks also get reflectors for lateral visibility, and this motorcycle makes use of 5-spoke alloy wheels, 17-inch setup and you get Michelin Road 5 tires with this motorcycle. If you want to load up this bike, you get a lot of optional accessories which have been tried and tested by Triumph and developed specially for this Trident 660. Now we know that the engine sounds fantastic, but is it a comfortable motorcycle to ride inside the city? Is it a fast enough motorcycle when you are going out for your weekend rides? Let's talk about the engine and performance. Powering the Triumph Trident is a 660cc liquid-cooled 12-valve DOHC inline 3-cylinder fuel-injected motor. This engine produces 81 PS of power at 10,250 rpm and 64 Nm of torque at 6,250 rpm. You get a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper assist clutch, which reduces wheel hopping and locking when you are aggressive on your downshifts. इस बाइक का ready to ride wet weight है 189 kilograms, which makes it very easy to manage between your legs when you are on the move. And also the saddle height is just 805 millimeters. Overall performance जो है as per middleweight standards is quite acceptable. If you are upgrading, say for example from a KTM 390 Duke, this will feel like a proper big bike. This will feel like a proper performance bike. The thing is that if you are a pro rider, you will easily outgrow this motorcycle just because how easy to manage this bike is. Triumph has really nailed it in terms of making this bike easy to understand, especially for new riders. The power delivery is linear, the throttle output is also nice and smooth. Although the throttle operation feels a little dull initially if you are a pro rider, but I understand the intent why this has been done. It is just so that new big bike owners do not scare themselves when they are on the move. इस बाइक के साथ आपको रेन और रोड मोड्स मिल जाते हैं. You do not get a sport mode with this motorcycle, and you will notice the difference in your power output when you are switching between these two riding modes. Compared to the Kawasaki Z650, this bike feels very refined. The engine feels nice and smooth, and that exhaust sound is very pleasing. Of course, the Honda 4-cylinder CB650R also sounds good, but then Honda is just asking for too much money for that motorcycle. The gearbox on this bike also works well. However, I wish that the clutch was a little more lighter than what it is. It is not completely hard, but it could have been lighter for sure. The engine of this Trident 660 is very tractable, so you can stay in a higher gear at lower speeds very easily, and you can simply open up the gas and then start picking up momentum. आपको frequent gear changes करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The next point which I want to talk about is ride and handling. Because this is an entry-level Triumph motorcycle, we need to know how easy is this bike to manage. मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches and this Trident 660 fit me like a glove. If you are a taller rider, maybe you will feel that this bike is a little cramped for you. Thanks to the low curb weight and very accessible seat height, आप इस बाइक को काफ़ी आसानी से समझ पाओगे, इसे मूव कर पाओगे और इसे चला सकोगे. Now the suspension setup of this motorcycle is towards the stiffer side. Because of that, highway manners are very good. ये बाइक आप काफ़ी आसानी से corners में tip in कर पाओगे so that you can have a lot of fun if you are going out on your weekend rides. And also on the highway at triple-digit speeds, it stays nice and flat. But because of the stiff suspension, city ride quality is very harsh and you will feel the jolts on your back. There is nothing you can do about it. You can try playing around with the preload, but overall the suspension setup is definitely too stiff for Indian riding conditions. Also, ground clearance जो है वो इतना खास नहीं है because of the underbelly exhaust. So moving over speed breakers, you have to really slow down. Otherwise, that exhaust system is definitely going to scrape. For the rider, the seat is nice and accommodating, but as you can notice, the pillion seat is not very large. So the pillion is going to be happy only for short commutes. The ride and handling package of this bike is so good that it will also please pro riders. So this can also be a second big bike for big bike owners. So if you have a super sport motorcycle, this can be your daily commuter. And if this is your first big bike, it will keep you entertained inside the city, and it will also keep you excited out on the highway on your weekend rides. So that is all that you need to know about this Triumph Trident 660. आपको ये मोटरसाइकिल कैसी लगी, ये आप हमें कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए. Do you think you will spend your hard-earned money and bring this bike home? Do you think this bike is better than the Kawasaki Z650? Do you think this bike is a much better value proposition compared to the Honda CB650R? If you have any other questions about this Triumph Trident 660, ask me in the comments below and I will try my best to help you out. Goodbye guys, subscribe to the Credar channel, press that bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a video. See you soon and always wear your helmets, always ride safe.